We've mentioned in previous lessons that we're using the free version of Perplexity. There is a paid version, Perplexity Pro, which is $20 a month or $200 a year. However, you can use the Pro tool in the free version of Perplexity 5 times every 4 hours at no extra cost. So let's do a comparison of the free version of Perplexity and the Pro version, and we'll use this prompt I gave the free version, which was create a line graph that shows the population of Iowa in 10-year increments from 1900 to 2020. And it gave me 5 sources, and it was not able to produce a line graph. It simply wrote in text the population of Iowa every 10 years from 1900 to 2020. So now let's copy this prompt. And now let's do a new thread. And I'm going to turn on the Pro search tool. And now I'm going to paste that same prompt about creating the line graph. And I'll click on the arrow. So now we're in Pro Search. It's going to ask me what specific population data are you interested in, and I'm interested in the total population of Iowa. And now I'll click Send, and this will take a while to come up with the response, so we'll skip ahead to the point where the response is complete. So you'll notice, first of all, that with the Pro Search you get a lot more sources. In the free version, I think I got 5 sources in response to this prompt. Now I've got 12 sources, and it gives me an answer. And now in its response, it gives me the population of Iowa in 10-year increments from 1900 to 2020. And then it tells me I can plot these data points on a line graph with the x-axis representing the years and the y-axis representing the population. And let's try something else. Let's ask a follow-up question. Please display this data in a table. So my follow-up question is, please display this data in a table and explain how to create a line graph from the data or from the table using Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. So I'm still using the Pro tool. I click on the arrow, and we'll jump ahead to the point where the prompt is complete. And it asks me, which software do you want to use to create a line graph, Excel or Google Sheets? I will say Excel, and click Send. And we'll wait for the response to complete. So now it's going to give me step-by-step instructions for how to create a line graph from this table using Excel. So number 1, it says open Microsoft Excel, create a new spreadsheet, enter the population data in the spreadsheet, and it's already given me a table with population and the year for each increment of population. And then it gives me more step-by-step instructions, and then it also gives me step-by-step instructions for completing a line graph using this data in Google Sheets. So that gives you an example of the difference between the free version of Perplexity and the Pro version. And once again, you can use the Pro tool in the free version 5 times every 4 hours at no extra charge to you.